Hello everyone, today I would like to show you all how to use AirDrop code on iPhone. Let's have a look. First, try to send any file to another iPhone. Now, from other iPhone, make sure AirDrop is on with everyone for 10 minutes. Tap the device name from the list. Here you will see the new option AirDrop code required. Enter the code from the other phone to share with AirDrop. You will see Use AirDrop code in your another device. Share a screen code with people who are not in your contacts to use AirDrop. You will be able to find each other for the next 30 days. You can manage access in settings. Tap Get AirDrop code. This will generate a code to receive files from another iPhone. So you need to enter this code to send file. Enter the code and you will see your another iPhone start receiving file. You can tap view. These are the steps to use AirDrop code between iPhone. You can manage AirDrop contacts. To manage AirDrop access, open Settings app, tap General, then tap AirDrop. Here in iOS 26.3 you will see Manage Known AirDrop Contacts. You will automatically appear for 30 days to people you have shared a single use code with. From here you can remove access for AirDrop. To remove access, tap on the contact and tap Forgot this person. So the device should use new passcode again. These are the steps to use AirDrop code between iPhone. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.